Well, it gives you credibility, and every time someone wants to order a tank, you don't have to reinvent the wheel. You have standards and procedures, and even if it's something that there is a procedure for that you've never built, you've got a lot of resources with STI, technical resources, to reach out to them and say, hey, first time we ever do this, and I need to interpret some code and standard, and they're right there. So that's what it means to me. It means a lot. It means a lot of our business.
I worked on service station equipment early on and found myself into leaning towards the tank side of it. In 1988, I got into refurbishing tanks and then started building tanks in the early 90s, and then up to today. We're still manufacturing tanks in Texas, and it is a family business, and we're still going.
It's been interesting and fun to get out and meet the other companies and see some of the stuff that they're going through that's similar to us, and be able to work through it with them.
We have a safety moment before every meeting. We do that in our technical committee meetings. We do it in our general meetings, and at company-wide too. You know, I said just yesterday we were talking, safety's one, then you have to make money. Let's be honest, all the things we talk about, if you're not making some money, you're not going to open your doors. But you have to be safe, and we've gotten much better about that. Much better.
It's helped me grow on a business aspect, becoming a better leader, just being able to see problems from different aspects. So that helps me personally go back to the shop, look at what am I doing wrong, how can I become a better leader for my guys, and then help the company move forward.
For me personally, it's taught me a lot about, how to be a leader, how to be an owner of a company, and how to raise up people around me and show them that as a manufacturer, it's not necessarily, the old school mentality of, you're in manufacturing is just a dirty job. And we run a really clean, tight ship. We have a lot of professional people both outside and in the office. So yeah, it's taught me a lot about the industry.
So it's not just tank related information, it's other information regarding finance or safety. It's good for the business professional, it's good for someone like emergent leaders, that group, for someone to build your leadership, try to take that next step forward and how to promote your business and grow yourself as well.